Hello bucket list buddies, welcome back. So today we're going to cover my trip in Texas. I had a great time, the people were incredible. I noticed that gas prices were the best in the country here, and with beer too. Everywhere I went, beer seemed to be less than $4 for a pint. Where I come from in Florida, it's $5 a pint for decent beer. I mean, I'm not talking domestic stuff, but some good beers. And I was paying on average of $3.25 a pint. So good for you, Texas. At any rate, I did a lot, and it's too much to cover in one video, so we're going to break this up in two parts. So while in Texas, I basically visited Dallas, Waco, Austin, and San Antonio. I know there's a lot more to see in Texas than that, but that's pretty much where I traveled on this particular trip. So today we're just going to cover Dallas and Waco. Texas, I met up with a few friends and family, and you're going to meet a couple of them here. And then I did a little sightseeing as well. And one of the things that I did is I went to go see the site of the JFK assassination in Dealey Plaza. And that was kind of, at least for me, that was kind of moving. I'm big, as many of you know, I'm a big historian. So while there's many theories on how and who was involved, Lee Harvey Oswald, was he the lone shooter? I'm one of those guys that don't think he was. I believe there was some other folks at play, but I'll leave it at that because I know there's a lot of controversy and conspiracy theorists and things like that. But I don't believe he was working alone. Those of you, if you have differences of opinions, you can leave your comments below. And then the next episode, we'll cover the rest of what I saw in Texas. Hey bucket list buddies, how are you today? So today I'm fulfilling one of my bucket list items and catching up with old friends. And Richard here, who is my neighbor and old friend from Chicago. And we're now in the Dallas area. He lives here now. And we're just sitting down, having a couple of drinks, and getting caught up. So, Rich, say hi to the audience.
Hey, cheers everyone.
Bucket list buddies.
Yes. So thank you for inviting me out. This is a great place.
Hey guys, here's Rich and I at HG Supply. We are still in Dallas, right?
I think so, yes.
Yeah, we're still in Dallas, and we're having a good time. Had a few more beers, and a little bigger crowd here. Good music, which I'm going to have to dub out because YouTube will make me. But the evening continues. Rich said he's got a couple other places we're going to go visit, and some other people are supposed to be joining us, right?
At once, yes. Very soon.
Soon. We'll have other people here to introduce you to. So stay tuned, and we'll continue to update you. Okay, here we are at the same bar, and Rich's friends bailed on him, so he's kind of like...
That is not quite true. It's a Sunday night.
Did they show up?
No.
That's called bailed on him. He wants to twist it into something positive.
It's positive. It's a Sunday night, and...
Yeah, it's not happening. So, we're going to go check out a new hot spot that Rich says is a killer place in Dallas.
Yep.
And let's see if his friends will show up there. I doubt it. I really doubt it. There we go. Get everybody in front.
Dallas, Texas, for the best.
Howdy.
Are we in
How
Dallas?
do you know you're from Texas?
So these are some... Well, everyone, Magnolia Market does exceed your expectations. Chip and Joanna have made this place incredibly pristine. It's like Disney World, maybe even a little better. Everything is done very well, and I thought it was just a market and maybe a bakery and the silos, but no, it's a whole lot more. There's a coffee shop, food trucks everywhere, all sorts of things going on around here. Lots of activities for the kids to play around in. So I definitely would put it on your list to come visit if you're ever coming through Waco, Texas. Come see this place. It's actually pretty cool. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I'm going to enjoy now some baked mac and cheese that I just got. All right, I'll get some more video of the place as I'm leaving. Look at the line to get in the bakery.
Straight cruising, headed for a bruising, watching out for number one. You gotta slow down, look around you, son. Today is just today and not tomorrow.
Kids having a bunch of fun.
Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going, brightness looks big. Where you're going, truth cannot be hid. You gotta get going. Easy now, you gotta get going.
They have little food trucks set up everywhere, although they look like they're permanent. Serving all different types of foods. Little picnic areas. Never realized this place was such a tourist area.
Be hard working so you can be deserving of the rest that you are given. You gotta slow down and look around you, son. Give a lot and live a little. Work with what you got. Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going, brightness looks big. Where you're going, truth cannot be hid. You gotta get going. Easy now, you gotta get going. Easy now.
This is really good.
Get along, give a hand, sleep heavy, be the man. Just there, where you are, do something, be the star. You gotta get going. Easy now, you gotta get going. Easy now.
All right, everybody. Well, I hope you enjoyed the little tour of Magnolia Market. And I'm sorry, ladies, I did not go in the market. I'm not one for going into little stores or shops like that. I'd kind of rather be hit in the head with a hammer before I go into a store like that. I just don't do the shopping scene. So sorry about that. If Joanne was here, she could take the camera in and do all that. But she's not here right now. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. And on to the next stop. Okay, everyone, now it's time for the Patriot Games. This one's pretty easy. I'm pretty sure everyone's going to know where this is right away. But go ahead and don't forget, you got to click below into the link that says contest. to enter your guess. Don't just leave it in the comments below. That's not going to help you or be entered into the contest. So take a look at this and let's see if you can figure out where it's at. Easy one, right? Don't forget to put your comments below in the link for the contest. That's the only way you can enter to win. And as always, I really appreciate it when you click that like button, subscribe button, and the little bell. That helps out a lot. And I love to hear all your comments. As most of you know, I reply to pretty much every one of them. Well, that's it for this episode. Thanks for tuning in, and I appreciate it. And don't forget to do something kind for a stranger this week. And have a great bucket list day. Bye.